Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
Hi guys, well, who are you? Listen, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? There ain't nobody but me so about to do this makeup, boo. Get it together. So today we are going to be doing a classic look. This is going to be a classic look for fall, for the holiday season. Save this video because I know y'all want to save this. We're going to take it back. We're going to take it back to Hollywood a little bit. The hair is straight. I would have preferred if the hair was curly, but we're going to be doing straight hair with a classic look, beautiful classic eye, thick liner, red lips. Okay, it's going to be easy. It's going to be wearable, and that's what we're going to do. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Coffee Shop palette by JUVIA'S. Y'all like my nails? Yes, girl, I did it myself. Okay, these are press-ons. I do them myself. I've been doing them myself for years. Okay. Absolutely love this set. Went a little bit longer. Listen, maturing is realizing that almond nails are the best. I said what I said. Well, that's listen, relax, okay, because I love square too. Anyways, today, so I'm going to be using this palette. I feel like I can get a really good classic look from out of this. I'm probably only going to be using 3 shades. So yeah, let's just dive right on into it. So without further ado, boo-boo, let's zoom in because we finna get with in. So first things first, I have on my skin milk and all of that, basically little skincare. I need to wipe up the brows because I am going to be going in with my Elmer's glue. It works, okay? I got the, what is it? Wait, I don't know if I told you guys already, but I got the Gots to Be brow gel type of thing. It just takes long to set, so I don't like it. Like, I need to move. Like, I ain't got time to be sitting here waiting for stuff to dry. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like the glue. Okay, it dries clear, it does the job, it's gonna last all day, all night, comes off with water, and you're good to go. Like, what are we really doing with all these fancy stuff that's not working? At least for my brows. My brows are unruly, girl. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Elmer's glue and I'm gonna shape them, define them, and all of that. I don't go against the grain anymore. Used to push them up, now I just go with the way that they grow. I feel that it lays better and it looks a lot more flattering on my face. Today, I am going to be taking it back old school. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in chocolate, and we're gonna carve out those brows. Okay, so it is time to clean up the brows. I'm gonna be using Butterscotch by Too Faced. Well, clean up the brows and apply a base. Okay, so it's time to clean up the brows and apply my base. I know y'all noticed I've been doing my makeup videos and I haven't really been vlogging. The truth is, I just miss my makeup videos. Like, I miss sitting here. I miss I built this studio. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's really hard to just fully walk away from, and I have all this makeup and it's just sitting there, and I really do enjoy these videos. So I'm gonna go with my mood. I'm a woman, okay? I'm a female. I'm gonna just go with my mood. Okay, like, who gonna check me, boo? We gonna do these makeup videos. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be doing the vlogs and stuff, but like right now, like, I just, first of all, autumn, winter, it sounds crazy, but I love this particular season of makeup. You get what I'm saying? The makeup lasts because you're cool, you're relaxed, like you're not overheated, so your makeup is gonna look flawless. I love autumn, winter colors. When it comes to makeup, like, I really love this particular season for doing makeup, so here I am. For this classic look, I am going, these don't have any names on them, I don't think. No, they don't. Okay, so yeah. One thing about me, I really don't care about names for eyeshadows. Like, you should know that about me. Like, just give me the color. I'm gonna be taking this, it's literally like a taupey brown, like a soft brown, but it has red undertones, really, really pretty. We're gonna go in with that and we're gonna create that crease. Now for a classic look, you want that crease to pop out. Like I said, we're probably only gonna be doing like 3 eyeshadows from this palette because a classic look really doesn't need a lot. And it's been a minute since I've done a classic look and I absolutely adore this type of look, so we're gonna do it. I'm also gonna be using my tool because it just makes life easy and I love it. When it comes to a classic look, you kind of wanna stop like right here before the arch of your brow. You don't want to carry it all the way over. You get what I'm saying? And I love how that looks. That looks really, really good. So for this classic look, I also feel like I'm gonna stay in the matte section, and then probably like in the inner corner, I'll do like a shimmer. So I'm gonna take the shade. I'm scared. I might mute it down a little bit afterwards, but let's see. On my camera, it looks really, really white, but right here, it's like a cream, but it's light. It's light, so I'm not even gonna hold you, girl, okay? And we're gonna pat this on the lid. Love that already. That looks really, really good. So now I am going to take, okay, these 2 colors are kind of similar. One is a little bit more a redder, warmer, a little cooler, redder, warmer. I'm gonna take, ooh, should I take the cool? Yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna take this one because it's closer to black, and I'm gonna go back in and just deepen up that outer area right here. Look at the pigment. Okay, I was not expecting that. So I'm gonna go back in with some of that same brown just to soften it up a little bit, because that's kind of harsh. I don't want it too dark. You get what I'm saying? Like, I want it to be soft and pretty. Don't forget to leave your brow bone space, because that is vital to look feminine. Don't carry it all the way up there and then you don't have any brow space. Like, that's when it starts to look drag. Let's just call it what it is, okay? But you know what I'm saying. See what that did? I like that. I like that. We're gonna take a little bit of that brown and blend over that lighter color just to have a transition, just a little bit. You see what I'm saying? Rah with you. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna be using the gel liner by e.l.f. One of the best gel liners out there, super affordable as well. Really creamy, really rich, really good. And I'm gonna be using a small lip brush. Is this a lip brush? Yep, it's a lip brush. I find that lip brushes give me like the best liner. After you pick up the product, you just wanna go into the cap and kind of smush it down just to flatten out the brush a little bit. That's all you wanna do. And I need my hand mirror because I need to be close, okay? Oh, let me see if I can just pull this closer. Can you still see me? How are we looking? Yes, I like that. Ooh. Okay, so when it comes to a lash, I'm gonna opt for a more natural looking lash. Well, not really natural, but shorter, okay? These are the Japanese lashes that I told you guys about, some of my favorites. You want a lash that's not gonna overpower the look, okay? You want that eye to show, okay? But you still want that drama. So you wanna opt for a shorter lash whenever you're doing a classic look, okay? Yeah, so I need to be up in the mirror, girl. You see what I mean? Like, you just a little something. So that is it for the eyes. As for the lower lash line, I feel like I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm probably gonna do like the same bright eyeshadow underneath there. When it comes to a classic look, there's not a lot of drama on the lower lash line, so we're just gonna opt to kind of leave it naked a little bit. But I absolutely love this. It's been a minute. Like, it never gets old, okay? If this is too white for you, you can opt to go for a eyeshadow that is close to your skin tone and then just really deepen up the crease area, if that makes any sense. Anyways, girl, let's zoom out because we finna show all the way out to this. It's time for the face. I'm gonna go in with my Japanese sake water. I'm gonna call it sake water because it smells like sake and my skin is really liking it. These marks are, you know, lightening up. I'm really happy about that, and it's really great for under the makeup. It's very hydrating. You guys already know, Asian skincare, top tier. We're gonna color correct, okay? We're gonna handle that situation around the mouth. As you can tell, a little bit, ooh, can you slow down? As you can tell, I have a little bit of discoloration around my mouth. Very common for women of color. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my MAC paint pot and handle that situation. So we're gonna mattify the face. This is also gonna act as like a mattifying primer. You can totally use a mattifying primer, but I like this because it's orange and it color corrects at the same time. So we're gonna go in with this and just pat this in the center of the face, create a nice even base. This also helps to fill in any pores, so your makeup is gonna look super smooth, as well as we need to set that paint pot. You see how even that looks already compared to over here? Really splotchy. Just that powder alone, like, we already look toned. You get what I'm saying? Like, we look even. You get what I'm saying? We just look orange, but it looks nice and smooth. It's matte. The skin looks even. Like, that's what we want, okay? We want that makeup to look good, so we gotta even out the situation. For my concealer today, I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty Concealer 430W. Okay, give me a name. Like, these, give me a name, okay? Don't give me numbers, okay? Because what are we doing, okay? Like, what are we doing? We're gonna go in with the Coffee Bean Foundation Stick by Huda. I really like this. It's really nice and creamy. That's probably too much, so we're gonna spread it out. And we're gonna contour with this shade, warm up the face, create a nice even layer underneath that makeup when you apply that foundation. And by doing it this way, I find that you need less foundation. And for a classic look, you want the face to be soft. We're not doing too much when it comes to a classic look. There's not a lot of sculpting. It's just really elegant. You know, you get what I'm saying? Okay, for my foundation, I'm also going to be using the Rare Beauty Foundation. This is 480W. This is a little bit dark, but it will work because we're gonna even it out with a concealer. And I really like how this has like a doe foot applicator. Like, it just makes life a lot easier. And I really like this foundation. It is super thin, very lightweight, and extremely comfortable on the face. I absolutely love it. She did her thing with that. I'm not even gonna hold you. So we're gonna go in and start to blend that out Look how beautiful that is. Like, are we even doing anything? This foundation is absolutely stunning. And it wears good too. This is a foundation that you definitely won't pull out for the colder seasons, you know, because it's gonna look good all day. You don't have to worry about it. As long as you prep your skin good. Look at that. Oh, come on, girl. Just a little tint on the neck, not too much. That is pretty. And this brush, girl, will I ever turn back from anything else? You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to infuse my setting spray into the actual foundation while I'm doing it. So we're gonna do it for the concealer. But if you want your makeup to stay, instead of like spraying your face down, I find that this way just works a lot better. And I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro, not Hydro Grip. Well, yeah, Hydro Grip. We're gonna just go ahead and do it at the center of the face. But working it in this way makes such a big difference. Okay, so I want a lighter concealer under those eyes, and I am completely hooked with this next step. Like, it's like, girl, it's just a different vibe. And we're gonna do a little bit on the nose because that Rare Beauty concealer is good, but I feel like it's not giving enough coverage, you know? This right here got me in a chokehold. It literally has me in a chokehold. I'm gonna spray it as well. It has me in a chokehold, okay? It is so beautiful to blend out concealer. So even, so smooth, it is so good. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look how good that looks. I'm telling you, this little thing for blending out that last touch of concealer. For my blush situation, I am going to go in with these two by Juvia's Place, these pink ones. This is Rosey Posey and Barbie Rose. Like these two, ooh, girl. First, we're gonna go in with the deeper one, and we're gonna do just a little. I tend to go overboard with this, but it's pigmented, like what can you do? And for the transition, now we're gonna go in with the lighter one. Okay, today is going to be a Fenty day, honey and nutmeg. So first we're gonna go in with honey under the eyes, damp sponge. You gotta, okay, ooh, that's a lot. So we're gonna pick it up, we're gonna pick up the product, and we're gonna go in and set everything and keep patting it until it just diffuses itself. I really wanna get my hands on the one size fit all pink powder. You know, it's the rave right now, but I haven't been buying any makeup lately, like, I forgot how good this stuff smells. And now for the rest of the face, we're gonna go in with nutmeg. Okay, we are going to bronzify, catch poppy eye. We're gonna go in with the dark combination, and we're gonna go into both. You don't wanna go heavy with this, okay? You still want that face to look soft. You just wanna add a little dimension to the situation. So we're gonna use that same face powder, the Fenty one, and we're gonna contour the nose. Like I said, a face powder for contouring the nose. Y'all think I'm joking. For my cheeks, I'm gonna go with a Carly Pink. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna, well, let's go with this one first. And I'm gonna switch over to the brighter one. This is volume 4. And I'm just gonna take this light one right here. I feel like these two together. So we're gonna soften that up a little bit. We're just gonna take the same sponge. We're not gonna add anything. And we're just gonna pat and blend in between the highlight and the blush. And it's just gonna really tighten everything. And take the butt and do the bottom half. You see how that looks compared to over here? Like over here it's a little splotchy, a little bit too harsh. Over here it's just melted. Like what lace, okay. For my glow on my nose, even though I like this, like I like the matte look, like it looks really, really good. I'm gonna go in with Morning Star and just do the tip of my nose. It has a little bit of a pinky gold hue to it, and my Cupid's bow. Okay, it is time for mascara. So first I'm gonna go in with the Milk Lash Primer, and I'm going to do my lower lashes because we're not putting any color underneath there. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any color. I like how that looks already. So I want my lower lashes to be really nice and thick. So we're gonna coat them. And now it's time to coat everything. So I promised a red lip. Let's do a red lip. First, we're gonna go in with Wine, and with this, we're gonna rim our lips with this, create a nice little shape. I gotta concentrate, girl. I take the lips serious, okay? Okay, for my lip color, I'm gonna go in with Scarlet by Juvia's Place. They released this, I think, last year, and it is a true blue red. It's gonna look great on dark skin, and it's gonna make your teeth look super white. This is a liquid lipstick, so it's gonna dry matte, and I'm gonna leave it. Am I gonna leave it? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, guys, so that is it for this look. I love how this came out. It's been a minute since I've done a classic look. I really did enjoy this. Like I said, if the eyeshadow in itself, I'm not gonna put a tear duct color because I feel like it just doesn't need it. It's just perfect. And I was thinking, should I put like a white liner in the lower lash line, but I like how this looks by itself, like less is just more, and this is perfect. Like, I don't need to do nothing more to this, okay, than to go take my pictures. This man better come home and take me somewhere so people can see what I did on my face. Okay, absolutely love this. So before we jump out of here, enjoy this modeling section.
That I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find some.
Yeah, so that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do love this. The vlogs are gonna come back, but in the meantime, in between time, like I said, this is my favorite season to do makeup, so here I am, okay? And I know you guys are enjoying it as well. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Yeah, share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon.